Hi friends, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's math lesson. Today, for our math lesson, you're going to need something out of your last book supply bag. You got a baggie with some cards. So I need you to find this, okay? And if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it and come back when you're ready, okay? All right, so you're back. That means you have your baggie. Go ahead and take out the cards and look at them with me. What do you notice? What do you see? What are you wondering? I noticed that some cards are green and some cards are kind of orange or peach. They all have numbers on them. And the number 10 is bigger than these numbers. I see one, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the numbers 1 through 9 are on these orange cards, and the number 10 is on this green card. I also noticed that these cards are folded, so they're like a tent. You could stand them up on your table. Okay, I'm going to call these our number tent cards. So now that we know what's in our bag and what we have, let's look at a picture that we used earlier this week. Do you remember this from our lesson? What did this picture show? Oh, yeah. So there's some dots. We could count them all. Or we might remember we circled 10 of them, and then there were 3 more, and we got the number 13. 13 is 10 and 3 more. Can you find the cards or the number 10 cards that match that? Okay, well, I found a 10, and I found the number 3. Do we have a 13? No, we don't. But I want you to think about something. Think about the picture here. What is inside the circle? Oh, yeah, the 10. And how many are outside the circle? 3. 10, let me hold it this way. 10 and 3 more is 13. Watch what I can do. I don't know if you've noticed this, but when I write the number 13, I have a 1 and a 3. 13, the 1 and the 3. With our number tens, it's like we can see that the 10 is inside the number 13. 13 is 10 and 3 more. Can you do that and say that? 13 is 10 and 3 more. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's do another one. Ready? All right. So this time I have some blanks. Ready? Blank is 10 and blank more. Okay, so let's see if we can figure this one out. Let's do it together. How many are here in the circle? We can count if we need to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. Can you find that number 10? 10. And then how many more are there outside the circle? 4. Can you find that number card? That tent? 10 and 4 more is how many? Put your card on top. How many is it? You got it. This is the number 14. Watch this. I could fill this in. Let's see. Okay. What number would go here? 14 is 10 and how many more? You got it. 4 more. Do you see this? The blue circles that are inside the circle is our group of 10. It's inside the number 14. All right, let's try another one. Ready? Here we go. Let me close my pen. Okay. Okay, here's take your cards apart. Here's our number sentence. We could say blank or is 10 and more. Here's our picture. See if you can use your number tenths to figure out what number this is or to show this number. Okay, I'm going to do mine too. Here's what's inside the circle. Got that. Do you got that number 10? All right, now let's see what's outside. Okay, I got mine. Are you ready? All right, how many were inside the circle? 10. Very good. And how many are outside the circle? 7. Okay. So if I have 10 and 7 more, what number is that? You got it. Let's write it. Tell me what numbers to write. Ready? So here's my teen number. What am I going to write? 17. Write it in the air with your finger if you want. Is 10 and 7 more. Very good. 17 is 10 and 7 more. I can see the number 17. Here's the numeral, the number I've written, and here's the picture. Inside is a group of 10 and 7 more. All right, let's see. Let's do another one. I think I have one more. Okay, got it? Are you ready? Let's see. Here's our circles. Try to figure out how would you show that using your number tenths and think about what I should write here on my lines. Okay, so what is the teen number you're showing on your card? Let's see if we have the same one. 15. Okay, because here are 10 inside a group of 10, and how many are outside of the circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put the number 5 on top. What will I write here in my sentence? 15 is 10 and 5 more. Very good. You got it. All right, so let's do this one more time. There's going to be another video, and I'm going to show you the picture and the sentence, and I'm going to have you send me a video and telling me how you would show this with your number tenths and how you would fill in the sentence.